In today's video, I'll show you how to track offline conversions with Google Ads and Zapier by connecting a payment or lead event to Google Ads. This is useful when the conversion happens outside your website, such as after a Stripe payment, a phone call, a sales conversation, or an offline transaction. By automating this process, you can send conversion information to Google Ads without manually uploading every conversion. If this tutorial helps, remember to like the video and subscribe for more practical automation and marketing tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once the Zapier dashboard loads, click Create. From the creation menu, select Zap Workflows. This opens the workflow builder, where you can configure the trigger and action for your automation. The trigger is the event that starts the workflow. Click Trigger, then search for the app you want to connect. For this example, you can select the app that records your customer or payment event, such as Stripe or another supported application. Choose the relevant event from the available options. Depending on your setup, this could be a successful payment, a new order, or another event that represents a completed conversion. After choosing the event, connect your account, click the Login or Connect option, and follow the instructions to authorize Zapier. Make sure you connect the account that contains the real conversion data you want to send to Google Ads. Once the account is connected, review the trigger settings and continue to the next step. Now click Action. In the Action App search field, search for and select Google Ads. This is the step that sends the conversion information into your Google Ads account. Next, click Choose an Event and select Send Offline Conversion. This event is designed to send conversion data that was recorded outside the normal website conversion flow. After selecting Send Offline Conversion, connect your Google Ads account. Click the Login option and sign in with the Google account that has access to the correct advertising account. Carefully check that you are authorizing the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google Ads profiles or manager accounts. When the setup is complete, click Build It in the top section of the editor. Zapier will prepare the workflow using your selected trigger and Google Ads action. Next, click Test Run. Testing sends sample data through the workflow so you can confirm that the trigger is working and that Google Ads receives the expected information. Review the test results carefully. Check that the correct Google Ads account was used, the conversion action is correct, and the values and identifiers are mapped properly. If the test fails, return to the relevant step and check the account connection, required fields, date format, currency, and conversion action settings. It's better to fix these details before activating the automation. Once the test is successful, click Publish. Your Zap will then be activated, and future qualifying events can be sent to Google Ads automatically. This means your offline payments or completed customer actions can become part of your advertising, measurement, and optimization workflow. Keep in mind that Google Ads may take some time to process and match offline conversions. Also, avoid sending duplicate events, protect customer data, and only use information that you are authorized to process. It's a good idea to monitor the Zap history and Google Ads conversion diagnostics after publishing to make sure the automation continues working correctly. And that's how to track offline conversions with Google Ads and Zapier. You created a Zapier workflow, selected an event from your source app, connected Google Ads, chose Send Offline Conversion, tested the workflow, and published the automation. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.